Hello everyone, we are Lovey's Fat Life and we're going to check out an ocean view balcony on Oasis of the Seas, Royal Caribbean. Let's go. Alright, so we got 714. Anthony's the first one to walk in. Alright, so here's outside the balcony. Got a little table there, 2 chairs. I do like the width of this. Alright, so here's a room tour of 714. As soon as you come in, you notice the bed's right here. Couch, working area. So let's look at a full length mirror to the left. We'll come back to the bathroom at the end. There is a master switch here, and this is that controls the lights in the room. I'm not sure what this is for. Actually, that's the bathroom. It's a bathroom light. So that is the bathroom light there. You come in to the room. You got the bed here. There is a little side table to the left and right. There's a light switch underneath it. Then you have the closet here and a safe on top. A little storage more at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more cubbies down at the bottom. And then it goes back into there a little ways. And these slide, both of them slide so you can get to the other side easily. I don't see a USB on this side. That's one thing that's not great, but we'll look and see. Then over here, got a couple hooks there to hang stuff. A little bit of a shelving is here. Bottom, you can put your paperwork. Over here, you have a light switch on this side as well, which cuts off the whole room. Light switch up here. Phone on this side. Little table. Here's a couch that turns into a bed. A little table in the middle. Got a TV over here, small TV. And a mirror. That's kind of cool. The door is connected. The door to the mini bar is connected to the outside door. And you got drawers down at the bottom. And you got a hair dryer on the top. Tissue paper. Another table here, chair. You got outlets here, USB, M120. You also got, that's for the light on the side. And you got 2 small cabinets, doors here. This one, I don't know what you can get in there, but a little bit. Also up underneath, you got a European plug, a 120 volt plug, actually two 120 volt plugs, and then a telephone line. Looks like an Ethernet. Alright, now let's go to the bathroom. go to the bathroom here. All right, I don't know. There's not much light in the shower, so we're trying to figure out, is that just a vent only, or is a light burned out? But the light is not working. If it is a light. Then we got a shower here with closes like that. Not a shower curtain. You got the drain in the bottom. A little foot area to shave. 2 hooks in the shower, basket, wand. You got your own soap on and off. Then you got your toilet right over here. You got your trash can at the bottom, towels, extra toilet roll looks like down there, and the toilet paper is about completely out right here. We'll have to replace that. Sink. What's underneath here? Sanitary dispenser and a trash can underneath. And then you got the shelving over here. We'll pull out cups and more additional shelving. And it looks like there's a plug at the top of here too. Is this supposed to be a light or not? I don't know. We're going to find out and ask the room steward when he comes in. Also on the back of the door, you got 3 hooks here as well, and a lock at the bottom. Couple things about this room. This master switch on the top has to be in the on position for the air condition to work. As soon as you come in the room, you want to turn your air conditioner down completely. We had issues with it staying cool. Also, for the air condition to work, the door going outside, the balcony, has to be in the down position or it will not work. Just wanted to let you guys know that as well. Again, thank you guys for checking out this video and subscribe to our channel. We got plenty of videos coming out. This is our first time ever going with Royal Caribbean. And we've got plenty more day vlogs going out. We've already got our embarkation vlog out. Thank you guys. Please like, comment, subscribe.